dioxide is the minor component of the Earth's atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a minor component of the Earth's atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere. And then plants take in carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide to perform the process of food preparing during photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. Okay, plants must need carbon dioxide. Why the plants need carbon dioxide? Because of during the photosynthesis time, plants take in carbon dioxide. And then in the presence of sunlight and the air lerundu carbon dioxide edutha food plants prepare their own food. So that only plants must need carbon dioxide. And then carbon dioxide released by during breathing for animals and human. This is a carbon dioxide. And then next one is the water vapor. Next one is what? Water vapor. And then next the small quantity of water vapor present in this Earth atmosphere. That is a very less quantity, because of the water vapor is a gaseous form of water. Water vapor is a gaseous form of water. Water vapor என்னது நீராவி. அதுதான் நம்ம ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது வெசல்ஸ்ல வச்சு வாட்டர் ஏதோ ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது ஆவியா மேலே போகும்ல, அதுதான் வாட்டர் வேப்பர். வாட்டர் வேப்பர்னா என்ன? நீராவி. அம்மா வந்து குக் பண்ணும்போது அந்த வெசல்ஸ்லேருந்து நிறைய அப்படி ஆவியாக மேலே போகும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ ஸ்டீம். தட் ஸ்டீம் ஸோ கம்ஸ் அவுட். தட் இஸ் அ வாட்டர் வேப்பர். இட் இஸ் அ கேஷியஸ் ஃபார்ம். அது ஒரு கேஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கும், நம்மளுக்கு ரொம்ப தெரியாது. ஸோ வாட்டர் வேப்பர் forms the condensation. Okay, water vapor form on condensation forms like such as smoke, such as cloud, rain, fog and smoke. Okay, water vapor is the minor component of the Earth atmosphere. It is a gaseous form of water, and then water vapor on condensation forms of fog and smoke, rain, cloud, snow, fog and snow. Okay, this form of condensation. What is the meaning of condensation? Condensation, it's a process. It's a that gas convert into liquid. Okay, the condensation form of cloud, rain, fog and snow. What is the condensation? It's one of the process that gas is convert into liquid. So the water vapor, when the gas are convert, water vapor is one of the gaseous form, is convert into liquid. Rain avo, malai avo, cloud avo, megam avo, enadhu poliyudu. So this is the water vapor. And then besides, some gases are also present in the all other gases. Here, besides some gases also present in this Earth's atmosphere. Second one, first one nitrogen, third one, and then fourth one water vapor, and then fifth one. Besides the gases also contain some all other gases. For example, hydrogen, helium, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen, helium, carbon monoxide and methane. Among these gases, okay, among these gases, that hydrogen and helium is the lightest gas. Hydrogen and helium is the lightest gas. Okay, which is the lightest gas in the Earth's atmosphere? That hydrogen and helium is the lightest gas in this Earth's atmosphere. Once again I repeat that Earth, in this lesson we have learned the composition of air, that nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. In these components of air is present in the Earth's atmosphere. Besides, some gases also present in the Earth's atmosphere. The smoke and dust particles also present in the Earth's atmosphere. And then large amount of each and every component of air is in different quantities. Some are, for example, nitrogen is the abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere, and then oxygen is the next major component of the Earth's atmosphere, and all other gases are present in the small quantity of the Earth's atmosphere. And then first one is the nitrogen. Nitrogen is the abundant gas, that is it cannot be directly using for plants, all living organisms. Okay, nitrogen is cannot be directly used in living organisms. So some bacteria in the soil take in nitrogen gas from this atmosphere and change it into nitrogen containing substances which make the soil fertile. The nitrogen containing substances which make the soil fertile. Okay, these nitrogen containing substances is used by plants. Okay, so this is the nutrition of the plant. This is give a plant, take the nitrogen containing substances take in plants, yield a high quantity of fruits and vegetables. And then next one is the oxygen. Oxygen is the major component of atmosphere in the air. All living organisms must need oxygen for breathing. Okay, oxygen is also necessary for burning. And then it's replenished in this Earth's atmosphere when the plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. And then the process of breathing. What is the process? What are the organs are involved in the process in this the system? So nose, windpipe, lungs. Our oxygen, we inhale or take in air, in the oxygen in the air reaches our lungs through the nostrils, and then the oxygen is present in the air and then carried back from the lungs to the other parts of the body through our blood vessels. Okay, through our blood vessels, and then our body released carbon dioxide which is carried back from the lungs and exhale or given out. திரும்ப வந்து என்ன செய்யும், body lungs வந்து carbon dioxide release பண்ணும். And then that exhaled air contain more carbon dioxide, is warmer than the inhaled air. And the next one is that carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the minor component of the Earth's atmosphere. It's used by plants to perform the process of photosynthesis during photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. Okay, plants வந்து food preparation time taking carbon dioxide, that is a very very important one. That process of to perform a different food processing function during photosynthesis take carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Okay, and then carbon dioxide is released by animals and human beings for breathing. In the breathing time, carbon dioxide and human beings and animals are released carbon dioxide. And the next one is the water vapor. Water vapor is a very small quantity in the air. It's a gaseous form of water. Water vapor on condensation forms cloud, rain, fog and snow. Okay, fog na theriyuma, moodu pani. And then form. What is the condensation means? It's a process. It's the gas is converted into liquid. That is one of the process. Gas is converted into liquid. And then next one is that beside all these gases air also contain hydrogen, helium, carbon monoxide and methane. Hydrogen and helium is the lightest gas. Okay, which gases are lightest gas? Hydrogen and helium is the lightest gas in this Earth atmosphere. And then air also contain small tiny particles disease causing microorganisms or living organisms is called the germs. இன்னும் ஏர்ல என்ன இருக்குன்னா small disease causing organisms இருக்குது. So these germs cannot be seen because of it's a very small living things. So that only we can't see. And then these are all the composition of air. I think all of you understand this topic. I hope all of you understand this topic very well. Okay, and then I can do one experiment. Already you know this oxygen is necessary for burning. Okay, in this experiment we will identify that air is necessary, oxygen is necessary for burning. Okay, things needed. What are the things needed in this experiment? Glass jar, or bowl, bowl 2, candle 2, matchbox, okay, these are all the things needed. We have to do this experiment. First, light the 2 candles. Listen all of you. First, light the 2 candles. First I have light the candle, and then next one I don't have wooden blocks, so that only I using this erasers. Okay, here I keep this erasers. Erasers is first I can, okay, I have used this bowl. Is that the bowl is placed and inverted on the place an inverted bowl. Inverted bowl is one of the candle, and then make the candle make this bowl rest on a few wooden blocks. I don't have wooden blocks, so that only I am using this erasers. Okay, now I keep it is used that air is enter this way, so that only I have used this blocks. And then now I light another one candle. Next, another one inverted jar is placed on the another one of the candle. Listen all of you. In this jar, here some space is given, so that only that air is easily enter in this bowl. Here no air is enter. You will see that first candle is burns brightly. That second one is that flames or that air is goes out, the air is cut off, and then the flames also goes out. Okay, now here you will see this candle is burned brightly. So in this experiment, what will you learn? We prove that anything is burned, that air is very important. That oxygen is containing in the air is used to things are burn. Okay, that oxygen is used to that candles are burn. Okay ma, so I hope all of you understand this topic. You do this experiment with your help of the parents, all those things all of you have in your home, you try with the in the presence of your parents, you have do this experiment. Okay, so today's homework, learn and write composition of air, otherwise learn that composition of air. Composition of air. Today's homework is learn composition of air. Okay, I hope all of you understand this topic very well. Okay, you finish your homework and send the answer through the Zoho app. Thank you.